Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CyberNew. I'm Leo and I'm here to help you install your first NVMe SSD card. But since I don't have thumbs, I'm just going to let Taylor take this one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Hey, thanks Leo for that awesome introduction. Do you feel left out in the rain, not really understanding what NVMe solid state drives are? Well, we'll go ahead and clear that up today in this video. As you can see here in this list, NVMe, or NVM Express, is a communication standards for solid-state drives. It's more like random access memory or your faster memory than it is hard drives, and it is very, very fast. About how fast is it? It's about 4 times faster than your typical SATA solid-state drive. Again, this is just a very, very basic explanation of NVMe. If you would like to discuss it a little more, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Alright, now that we know a little bit of the basics about NVMe, let's go ahead and jump into how we would install that into our computer. As you can see here, went ahead and opened up my Digital Storm PC. So as you can see here, this is the crucial 500 gigabyte NVMe card. And now we're looking for the M.2 slot, and as you can see, it's right here on the right hand side. And then we have the screw right here that we're going to remove so we can actually put this in place. And you're going to need a little Phillips head screwdriver to take this screw out. And that's what we're going to do right now so we can make room for the slot. And we're not going to actually be able to pop it in place unless we take this screw out. And we have the screw out, and it's pretty small. You don't want to drop that down on your motherboard. Alright, and now this is what the NVMe card looks like out of the box. That's the back. And to be able to pop this in here, you actually have to put it in at a 30-degree angle into the slot. And you'll feel it just kind of pop into place. And you'll know you'll have it in correctly because it's at the 30-degree angle. And then you're just going to push it down into place and then go ahead and put your screw back in. And once we get that back in, that's it. So I'm not going to see the benefits of the new card until after I load Windows on it. But after that, we're going to go ahead and see the fast speeds that I was talking about earlier. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at CyberNew1. Check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to check us out at our website, www.cybernew.com. Thanks.